Garden Answers helps you identify your plant instantly. To get started, open the app and select Take a photo of your plant. Then follow the on-screen instructions to use your camera or to upload a picture from your photo album. When taking a picture, get as close to the flower or leaves as you can and center it in the frame. Do your best to isolate your plant from other vegetation. Garden Answers wants a clear image of the flower, leaf, or plant as possible to identify it. Avoid having multiple plants in a single frame together. Do your best to isolate your flower or leaf in the center of the picture frame. Try to get as clear of a picture as possible. Avoid blurring, overexposure, darkness, shadows, or anything that will make the plant look unnatural. Once you've submitted a picture, Garden Answers will return the most accurate results for your plant. Tap on the Details button for more information. Be sure to confirm by clicking Yes or No for a match. This will save your answer under recent searches in My Answers. You can also share your answer with friends and family. And if you love your plant, click on the Buy It Now button to order it online today. Garden Answers will provide the botanical and common name, its native origins, and how to care for it. There's also a link to your plant's entry on Wikipedia where you can find more in-depth information. No match? Why not try our refundable identification service? Tap on Ask a Horticulturalist to ask one of our experts for help. They will provide an answer within 24 to 48 hours. If you believe any image to be wrong, just click on the flag icon in the top right of the image for review. This will help us improve future search results. Have other gardening questions? Click on the Community button. From there, you can interact with fellow Garden Answers users. Ask other happy gardeners practically any gardening question, and for free. Enjoy all the social features you love, like commenting, posting, liking, sharing, and adding friends. Have you ever wanted to know the name of that plant blooming in your neighborhood? Click on the Plants Near Me button to find plants nearby that other people have identified using Garden Answers. In case you get stuck, send us an email to support@gardenanswers.com or go to our website and check out our frequently asked questions page. We are made entirely in the USA, so your information is private and secure with us. That's why we're the most trusted gardening app in North America. It's like having an encyclopedia in your pocket. Who wouldn't want that? Garden Answers. Instant answers to your gardening questions.